Welcome to Everyday English. Hello, students. Today's study session is going to be fantastic.
In this video, we'll learn 18 fluent phrasal verbs with meanings and example sentences.
More phrasal verbs lists are in the description. Get ready to level up your English language skills. Let's get started.
Pan out. Pan out. Meaning: to develop or turn out as expected. To develop or turn out as expected. We hope the plan pans out as we've envisioned. We hope the plan pans out as we've envisioned. Lash onto. Lash onto. Meaning: to strongly attach. To strongly attach. The climbers had to lash onto the ropes to prevent falling. The climbers had to lash onto the ropes to prevent falling. Hang back. Hang back. Meaning: to stay behind or hesitate. To stay behind or hesitate. She decided to hang back and observe before joining the discussion. She decided to hang back and observe before joining the discussion. Cash out. Cash out. Meaning: investments into cash. Investments into cash. He cashed out his stocks to invest in a new business. He cashed out his stocks to invest in a new business. Lock onto. Lock onto. Meaning: to focus on or track a moving target. To focus on or track a moving target. The radar system locked onto the aircraft. The radar system locked onto the aircraft. Whip up. Whip up. Meaning: to quickly prepare or create something. To quickly prepare or create something. She whipped up a delicious dinner in no time. She whipped up a delicious dinner in no time. Dive into. Dive into. Meaning: to enthusiastically start a task. To enthusiastically start a task. He dove into his research project with great enthusiasm. He dove into his research project with great enthusiasm. Pipe up. Pipe up. Meaning: to speak or contribute to a conversation. To speak or contribute to a conversation. Don't be shy. Feel free to pipe up during the meeting. Don't be shy. Feel free to pipe up during the meeting. Bank on. Bank on. Meaning: to rely on or expect something with confidence. To rely on or expect something with confidence. I'm banking on the success of our marketing campaign. I'm banking on the success of our marketing campaign. Spin off. Spin off. Meaning: to create a separate entity. To create a separate entity. The company decided to spin off its software division. The company decided to spin off its software division. Chalk up. Chalk up. Meaning: to attribute or credit something to a specific cause. To attribute or credit something to a specific cause. The success of the project can be chalked up to the team's dedication. The success of the project can be chalked up to the team's dedication. Brush aside. Brush aside. Meaning: to disregard or dismiss something as unimportant. To disregard or dismiss something as unimportant. He brushed aside the criticism and continued his work. He brushed aside the criticism and continued his work. Hang on to. Hang on to. Meaning: to keep or retain possession of something. To keep or retain possession of something. I decided to hang on to my old bicycle. I decided to hang on to my old bicycle. Link up. Link up. Meaning: to connect with someone. To connect with someone. We should link up with experts in the field. We should link up with experts in the field. Fall back on. Fall back on. Meaning: to resort to something as a backup plan. To resort to something as a backup plan. If the job falls through, I can fall back on freelancing. If the job falls through, I can fall back on freelancing. Catch on to. Catch on to. Meaning: to understand or grasp a concept. To understand or grasp a concept. It took her a while to catch on to the new software. It took her a while to catch on to the new software. Work up to. Work up to. Meaning: to gradually progress. To gradually progress. She's working up to running a marathon. She's working up to running a marathon. Hammer away at. Hammer away at. Meaning: continually work on a task. Continually work on a task. He hammered away at perfecting his writing skills. He hammered away at perfecting his writing skills. Rip off. Rip off. Meaning: to overcharge. To overcharge. Watch out for vendors who try to rip you off. Watch out for vendors who try to rip you off. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.